What a beautiful face I have found in this place that is circling all around the sun.
Hello and welcome to today's episode. Today we're going to be doing something a little different than usual. We're going to be learning how to play a song, and that song is going to be In the Aeroplane Over the Sea by Nutrimilk Hotel. And I've been a big fan of them for many years now, and that has always been one of my most favorite songs, and it's a really easy song to play for a beginner, so it'll be fun for us to go through and try it out. So I've got my guitar here, and so the chords for this song, there's going to be two different parts of the song. The main part and then the chorus, I guess. So the main part of the song is G, E minor, C, D. So all together it sounds like this. Alright, so we're going to be playing the song here in a moment, but before we start, I just wanted to go over the two different parts of the song. So there's going to be the intro and verse, which is G, E minor, C, and D. And then there's a bridge part of the song, which is E minor, C, G, and D. All right, so we'll go ahead and start the song now. What a beautiful face I've found in this place that is circling around the sun. What a beautiful dream that could flash on the screen in a blink of an eye and be gone from me. Soft and sweet, let me hold it close and keep it here with me. One day we will die and our ashes will fly from the aeroplane over the sea. But for now we are young, let us lay in the sun and count every beautiful thing we can see. Love to be in the arms of all I'm keeping here with me. Alright, here comes the bridge. What a curious life we have found here tonight. There is music that sounds from the streets. There are lights in the clouds and there's ghosts all around. Hear voices, it's rolling and ringing through me. Soft and sweet, how the notes all bend and reach above the tree. Verse. Now how I remember you, how I would push my fingers through your mouth to make those muscles move that made your voice so smooth and sweet. And now we keep where we don't know. Oh, secrets sleep in winter clothes with one you loved so long ago. Now you don't even know his name. What a beautiful face I have found in this place that is circling around the sun. When we meet on a cloud, I'll be laughing out loud. I'll be laughing with everyone I see. Can't believe how strange it is to be anything at all. All right, so another thing I failed to mention before I started the song, this song has a lot of words in it, so you're going to have to take big breaths while you're singing it, because there's just like run-on sentences where you're just saying so much stuff and you kind of run out of breath halfway through. So if you could tell, I was just kind of running out of breath for parts of the song because I haven't practiced it in a while. Once you've practiced it enough, you'll get the hang of like when you got to take in those deep breaths for the really long vocal parts. I hope you enjoyed playing along. You can rewind it and just practice along with what I've played here. Play along with me on the guitar. You can practice your singing as well. Yeah, so this is just a really good song for beginners to start with. It's got a very pretty melody, easy and beautiful sounding guitar parts. Just a very good all around, fantastic, like little 90s folk song. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.